I am Jae-hyun Lee, and I am going to make a presentation. I will start the presentation now. First of all, I chose Gwanggu Station as the subject of graduation design. Have you ever been to Gwanggu Station? Currently, the number of people using Gwanggu Station has decreased compared to the previous one. What could be the cause? There are 4 reasons why Gwanggu Station is stagnating. Gwanggu Station was depressed by physical and spatial aspects, industrial and economic aspects, humanities and social aspects, and cultural aspects. If you look at the history of Gwanggu Station, you can see that Gwanggu Station has spent 100 years with many of Gwanggu's history. The stagnation of Gwanggu Station does not mean closing Gwanggu Station, but strengthens the transportation function of Gwanggu Station to move forward with Gwanggu. Let us take a look around Gwanggu Station. Gwanggu Station has 180,000 square meters and was first opened in 1922 and moved to its current location in 1969. High-rise apartments are building around the city, causing dense urbanization. Many apartments will be built due to schools and subway stations around Gwanggu Station. If you look around Gwanggu Station, there are Cheonam National University, Donggan University, and Gwanggu National University of Education in the north of Gwanggu Station. So there are many college students. In the south of Gwanggu Station, there are old merchants because there are street of building materials, street of cars, and street of duck cooking. Near Gwanggu Station, you can see the lack of parks and green areas at a glance. Therefore, as the surrounding density increases, I want to lower the density of Gwanggu Station and provide convenience to people by connecting with the new subway line too. Also, we would like to solve the disconnection by connecting the south and north of Gwanggu Station, which had been disconnected for more than 50 years by underground roads. Also, if you look at it in the long run, there will be a green ring in Gwanggu. Through the spatial connection program, you can see the disconnection caused by Gwanggu Station at a glance, and you can see that it resolves the disconnection when you form a 3-dimensional walking axis through the underground space. The current image is a change in the underground space of Gwanggu Station. Currently, Gwanggu Station is disconnected, but if you connect the underground road and subway space and have an underground walking space, you can connect with the surrounding area. In the distant future, various underground spaces around Gwanggu Station will be connected to create a pleasant space. My concept is a resort. Resort is a French word for route, meaning irregular yet horizontal free network. The following are the characteristics of the resort. Keywords were organized and linked to the principle of the composition of the resort, spatial characteristics, and the characteristics of the complex transfer center. It is a design concept. I drew a dot and connected it with a line in every space that can enter Gwanggu Station. Also, I marked the traffic network of the road and the building network and overlapped them. You have set the void space and placed the program by summarizing the lines. The diagram shown earlier was produced through these algorithms. The complex transit center contains 4 main visions. Due to the dense city, it chooses to empty rather than fill, planning a huge park square in the city center and creating a park where light can come underground. In addition, as ideas such as railways, subways, buses, taxis, and personal mobility easily, and set up programs utilizing potential resources around us. The ground park design has arranged the space considering the relationship with the surroundings. Open parks squares. The ground park at Gwanggu Station has a total of 15 entrances, making it easier for citizens to access the park from various places. Parks and squares in the city center. The park built in the city provides a place of alienation for travelers and healing for tired local residents. Underground park of light. By giving the underground space a sense of natural lighting and openness, it provides a luxurious space that improves the unfavorable conditions of the underground space where lighting or ventilation is difficult. User-centered movement. The plaza, which is centered on all users of the plaza, park, playground, etc., can accommodate various types of functions and roles. The direction of the program was planned considering the location and period of Gwanggu Station. It is a program strategy. Through the cooperative relationship between the resources of universities near Gwanggu Station, public support, and the region, we plan a program to make universities and nearby areas a sustainable space where young people stay and are full of vitality. If you look at the sections and planes, you can see that the space is organized for each floor and each section. If you look at the sections and planes, you can see that the space is organized for each floor and each section. Zone A has planned commercial and business facilities. Zone B has planned a transfer facility. Zone C planned cultural facilities. This table shows what space is needed for each program and the corresponding floor. The following is a simple diagram of the distance between transfer facilities and the transfer time. That is all for the presentation. Thank you.